Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make backup Windows Firewall rules. To start, enter Firewall in the search box. You must open Windows Defender Firewall. When you open it, click on the Advanced Settings option. The line, Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security on Local Computer, must be selected. After this, open the Action menu and click on Export Policy. Assign a name and specify where the backup will be saved. Click on Save. Now, to import that backup, from the Action menu, you are going to choose the Import Policy option. You must click Yes to continue. Select the backup and click Open. You can see that the process was successful. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.